6:56, welcome back to the morning show. It's Wise Guy Wednesday. I'm not going to spew a bunch of hot air because I'm going to let you tell us about that.
I can spew the hot air.
Yes.
By the way, I'm really glad you had me back after the last time I was on, because we did cover things with soap. Now, you know, you can look at that both ways. You can say, well, things are really clean now.
That's true.
Or, boy, that was a mess what we had to clean up. So I don't know.
Enjoyed it, and we just handed
It was fun.
somebody else the mop.
All right, so what we just got done saying was that this helium balloon is trying to float on top of the atmosphere. You can think of our atmosphere that we live in like a giant swimming pool, right? And so, you know, if you go to the bottom of the swimming pool, you feel all kinds of pressure on you. And we're sort of at the bottom of the atmosphere. The atmosphere goes up several miles, but here we are at the bottom. The stuff is pushing in on us, and if we have something that's lighter than air, like helium, it tries to go to the top and sit on the top of the atmosphere, which we're preventing it from doing.
So this would be a water wing.
Okay, a water wing. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Okay. You're right. Okay. So I'm a little slow this morning. You're much faster than me.
We've been up for hours.
You have, and plus you're smarter than I am. Okay. So now, what I've done here. This is pretty interesting. They're two really crappy 1 liter bottles. However,
budget cuts.
Yeah. Exactly. But that's okay. One has air in it, and one has helium in it. I just put some helium in it yesterday, and so I'm just going to put them on the scale. The scale, you can see, is balanced. And when I put these on here, what you'll find is that the air one goes down.
Wow.
So we're actually just weighing helium and air. We're just comparing it. Now, if they had the same weight for the same volume, they would be even, but they're not. Now I'm going to do something that I haven't done before, so I hope this works. I'm just going to let the air, or the helium, out of this thing to see if it goes back down and evens up, which it should. Because if I open this, the helium likes to go up. The air is going to rush into this thing. Okay, and so now these things should be about the same. Okay, there, I'm going to cheat. So anyways.
Maybe it'll take a minute because the exit is small.
Yeah, no, what it is just that, you know, the thing is, it's half a gram different or something. If I go like this, you'll see this. See? Oops. Wait, we can do this. Okay.
There we go.
There we go. So there you go. Okay, so anyways, the point is, see, you should always practice these things. But it doesn't change the fact that helium is lighter than air.
Right.
Now, what we try to do for hot air balloons is we don't want to use a lot of helium because it takes up, it's expensive for one thing.
Right.
So what we can do instead is we have a different material that's lighter than air, and that's air. Well, how does that work? If you heat up air, it turns out it becomes less dense. If it has less density, it's not as heavy as it was. And so you can stick that inside a balloon and it's going to go up. And we can explain that more when we come back because we have lots of time. And I have 2 different hot air balloons we're actually going to set
And you
off.
even have a hot air source.
I do, and in fact I have one that works on fire, so maybe we should do that one outside. Or we had pretty good luck in here last time, so maybe we'll be okay. So
we're beefing up our insurance policy, so no worries.
Good. So we're going to actually make 2 hot air balloons when we come back.
All right, more with the Wise Guy in the next half hour of the morning show, but if you want to see it, you've got to change channels. Join us on WCIX 49, but do it now because that's